Hi, welcome to the Maryland Gardener channel. Thanks for joining and watching the channel today. Today we're going to do some potato planting, and I'm going to show you how I do my potatoes. And we're going to start with these recycle bins that I've recycled, and they are checked, and they are food grade containers. Should be a code 2 underneath that you can check. Those are food grade containers, so I can use those for my potatoes. So let's start with this one here. I'll show you what I put in it. Put in some blood meal and bone meal, and I put that with worm castings, and I do that to all the beds, and I top it off with some compost. And I'll show you how that's done. So what I do first, I put in some blood meal. No, this is bone meal. No, Lucy, you can't eat that. A bit of bone meal. Okay. And then you got some blood meal. That's for nitrogen. Gives them a nice little good start. A little bit of blood meal. And I also put worm castings in there. Maybe a little overkill, but it's alright. It should be okay for the rest, most of the season. I'm thinking. Use the rest of the bag up. Okay. Then you want to mix the soil up. One little deep. Mix it all in. It gets ahead. Just one little bit too. Just toss it around, mix it. Okay, now I'm going to plant this here, and I'm going to put compost on top of this, top of these potatoes. And I'm just going to fill the soil to the top. I usually hill it up as they grow, but I'm going to just do it this way today. So, that might be too deep. I'm going to add some compost. This is my compost. Still got some lettuce in it. That's all right. Okay. All right. So still a little low. I'm going to add some soil. Okay. Good level. Your little holes there. There you go, one there. Point these upward. These are store-bought potatoes that were left here. And that's two there. Okay, and I might add more dirt to it when it starts to come up, but I don't think I'll have to, but I think I'll do that if I think I need it. Alright, so this one's not going to need a lot of compost, so what I'm going to do, since this has got plenty of dirt, I'm going to plant through here. Add some compost to that, a little bit. You see all the worms here? Got a lot of worms in there. A lot of worms there. And compost was full of them. So hopefully they do a good job there. Now we're going to plant these here. A little low on soil. So I'll put a little more. There. Mix it all in. Now this one I've let go a little too long, so I'm taking a chance. I'm thinking it might work out to where it might sprout and give me some potatoes. So I'm gonna see what happens. But you shouldn't let it go too long like this. You know, it's iffy if they'll give you a good amount of potatoes, but we'll see. But plant it all in the soil, the whole stem. Here, probably point it sideways, and cover it up. I'm going to add some compost. Still a lot of leaves in it, but that should be fine. Cut this one off too. Use the rest up here. Alright, so that's it. And then you can add some more as they start to get a little bigger. You start to see the plants again. You can add some more bone and blood meal to it underneath the plant, and just work that in the soil and water. And you can also do a kelp or fish emulsion and just water it with that, and you should be fine. You should be good to go. So that's our potato planting. I hope you got some good information. We'll do hopefully a harvest now in about 4 months or so to see how they're doing, and we'll keep doing updates and see if we get any potatoes out of this garden bed. So thanks for watching, and have a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you like this video. I would appreciate it. Take care.